Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a flavorful and tangy Achari Chicken Masala. This recipe is perfect for lunch and dinner. If you are new to our channel, please click on subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Let's get started. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, half tablespoon of mustard seeds, and 1 tablespoon of nigella seeds. Mix everything well and roast them until fragrant and crush them and set aside. Now in a kadhai, heat 1/4 cup of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 4 sliced onion and cook them until they are translucent. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, mix well, then add 4 chopped tomatoes. Cook for about 5 minutes until they are softened, then add 1 cup of yogurt. Mix everything well, cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn off the flame and blend this mixture and set aside. In the same pan, heat 3/4 of a cup of oil. Once heat, add 750 gram of chicken and cook them until they change color. Then add 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix everything well. Then add roasted spices, mix and cook the chicken with spices for 5 minutes. Add the blended paste, mix well, cover the pan and cook on low flame for 15 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, let's prepare our stuffed green chilies. Take 8 green chilies, remove the seeds, dip them in water and add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix well. Dip them for 10 minutes. Mix 3 tablespoons of chaat masala with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix well and stuff this mixture in the green chilies. Once the chicken is done cooking, add the stuffed green chilies to the gravy, cover the pan and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander, cover and let it simmer. And there you have it, Achari Chicken Masala ready to serve. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!